Hello, good morning everyone. I am Mobin Alam, BBA third semester. Today I am presenting for you IBM presentation. So my topic of common market. What is the common market? Group formed country within geographical area to promote duty-free trade and free movement. A labor of the capital among members European community, a legal entity within a framework of European Union is the best now example. Common market impose common external traffic CAT on imports forum. A group of country imposing few or not duty and trade with another the common traffic in the within other country. A name for the European economies or European Union used especially in the 1960 and 1970. Singapore proper noun common market. Benefit of course, a single market has many benefits with full freedom of movement for all the factor of production between the members country. The factor of production become more efficiently allocated, featuring increasing producting with full freedom of community feel all the future of the production between the membership of country. The factor of production. Background story. In 1951, the trade in the Paris was the single creating the European cola and steel community. This was an international community based on the supranationalism and international law designed to help the economies of European and prevent future war by integration its members. On March 25, 1957, France, West Germany, Italy, Netherlands belong to luxury seeing as the trade in the establishment of European economic community is also known as the common market. AMS. The establishment of the customer union with a common external traffic, common policies for agriculture, transport and trade, enlargement of the EEC of the rest of European. It refers to an arrangement between the country tell always production reserve and worker to cross border fairly the union. Council. The Council of the European Community was a body holding legislative and executive power and was thus the main decision-making body of the community in the presidency rotated between the state every 6 months, and it is the related to the European Council, which was in the informal gather of national leaders start 1961 of the same basic of the council. The council of the common market is the highest range of the mercury with responsibility of the publicity leadership of the integration process of and for name making. Thank you.